Open the styler.ai website and log in with your Gmail account. You can watch these 2 videos to gain a better understanding of Styler AI. Feel free to explore additional resources for a more comprehensive overview. Click on New Project. Then enter your project title. Choose your canvas size and apply these settings. Next, click on the Import Images button to bring in all your 2D images. Click on the I button to hide all other images except the background. Adjust the background image size accordingly. Now, add your second image on the background. If you can't find it, simply move the background image, right-click to bring it to the front, and adjust all image sizes accordingly. Let's add a 2D character and adjust its image size. After that, click on the Image to Image button and choose the Realistic style. Finally, click on the Auto Prompt button. Now that our prompt is ready to generate a realistic image, click on the Stylerize button and wait for a few seconds. You will witness how these AI tools convert our 2D images into realistic style images. A truly cool feature. Okay, let's enhance our results by adding the next 2D character. Add and adjust the image size accordingly. Click on Image to Image, then the Auto Prompt button. After generating the prompt, click on Stylerize. Each time you generate, you'll experience a different result. Select your images, then click the Place on Canvas button. Now, right-click on each image and choose Save as Image. Let's experiment with one more image using a different style. This time, I am choosing the Innocent Cutie style. Repeat the previous steps to generate once again. Explore the creative possibilities with Styler.ai by experimenting with various styles and generating unique images. Don't forget to save your creations and share them with others to showcase the power of AI in transforming your 2D images. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more exciting tips and updates. Happy creating!